Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can power on and power off manually Yamaha TW-E3. Okay, so first of all you have to take them out of the case. As you can see, they are turned on, so to turn them off you have to click and hold both earbuds. As you can see, when this indicator simply turns to the red, it means that they are turned off. And as you can see, the connection status has disappeared. And let's click and hold them one more time to turn them on. When the indicator turns blue, it means that everything is fine and they are activated. So as you can see, we are connected. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.